What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and today we are checking out HaloBlk's HaloDisc 2 for the Model Y Juniper, the 19-inch wheel cover. Now, if you checked out my video on the Model Y Juniper demo drive, I did mention that I was not feeling the Tesla wheel covers, but this one's a little different. It's customizable, and I actually saw these exact wheel covers on the previous generation Model Y long range on a white one, and I thought, I'm like, man, that looks pretty cool. So I reached out to HaloBlk and they sent me one. It's the charging style, and we're gonna go and install it on here because I do not like those wheel covers. So one of the things that I love about the HaloBlk products is just how neat and the packaging is well designed. I've mentioned it in previous videos, and I'm just like, it's what stands out to me. But they also have great products. I use them in my previous Model Y, and now we're going to be putting these on. And as you can see, this top part, we have center lock caps and the HaloDisc cap, as well as the lock tool. And below it, we're going to have the actual covers. So you have two different center lock caps. You have ones that are labeled H1s and H2s. And you have this compatibility chart. So depending on which year and which type of wheel you have will depend on whether you use the H1 or the H2s. So what we have is the 19-inch Model Y. Where is it? "19-inch Model Y cross flow wheels" right here. So we are going to be using the H2s. All right, so it does come with a protective tape if you want to use it, and then you pretty much just remove the covers, then you put that protective tape, and then you move into the center lock cap. There is a color scheme, so the left side you will use the red and black, and the right side you're going to use that green or teal color with the black. So check this out. They are individually boxed and very nice. So we have a white Model Y with black covers, but it has some white onto it and gray. So a little bit of contrast. Yeah, we're gonna check it out. So we're going to be removing the wheel covers. I had to look up how to do them, but basically there's these little holes or slats or slots. There's 5 of them, so you're going to reach in there with your fingers and just gently pull it out one by one. And yeah, you got to be very careful, but it shouldn't be too difficult. Just don't do it with too much force that you can crack it. But there you go. It's off. Okay, so we're on the right side, passenger side, and we are using the green or teal color. And the first thing you want to do, I should have cleaned it, but I'm excited. You push on this center, and what it does is this black piece comes out, and these round bearings, is that what you call them? But these are the ones that pretty much lock them inside. Whoops. And that's how you get them in. Don't force it in if you're not pushing it in, because these balls are gonna be in the way. So you push it, and then you could put it in. And now you tighten it. Now in the instructions, it does note that this way is counterclockwise. On the left side, it's the opposite direction. So just bear that in mind when you are doing these things. And then you take their little tool right here and tighten it up. Now there is a washer here to prevent from your wheel from getting scratched and stuff. So there's like a rubber washer. So the next thing you're going to do is you take this washer. So this washer is actually only for the H2s, and you put that in there, and you take the cover, put that in there, and then you put this outer part, the outer lock, and you turn. Next, you take the screw, put that in there. Take the cover and turn, and that's it. All right, show you a little difference between with the wheel cover and without the wheel cover. So I like it because it has a little bit of a contrast. It's just not straight black, and just a little different design. So that way, if I'm like out, there's a lot of white junipers, actually a lot of quicksilvers too that I've noticed. So now I could just look at the wheels and be like, okay, that's probably mine, hopefully. All right, there you go. Very simple to install. Even I could do it. But yeah, it's probably a 30-minute install, about 10 minutes each tire wheel. But once you put one on and get to the second one, it gets much quicker because you get used to it. But yeah, I actually like them. Just a little different, so that when we're out on the parking lot, you know, I can distinguish which is which. All right, we are here at Bro Chichay's house, Model 3 Studios. It's been at a EV Confessions before. If you haven't checked out that video, go check it out. Bro Chichay right here. He's my EV sitter and EV barista. Yeah. Official. All right, we're checking out 24,921 miles. 2022?
20.
Dang, man, this guy needs to drive more. This is not even lease. You gotta drive more, man. That's your lifetime. 24.
Oh yeah, that one.
Oh, there. Trip A. Look at this. 24,921, 5946 kilowatt hour, 238.6. This guy speeds. What do y'all think? It's a little different, but they do have many different designs. They even have blank ones so you can design your own. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of a spoiler alert. I am in the process of wrapping the Model Y. I'm not gonna wait as long as I did with the Model Y Performance. So I was given the green light by the boss. Thank you, boss. And because she's getting the Cybertruck wrapped as well. So those who are wondering when the Cybertruck is gonna get wrapped, we are now in the process of figuring that part out. She is gonna wrap it. So I might as well join the bandwagon and get this one wrapped as well. But yeah, we're gonna look into those blank wheel covers, but for now, this is what we're gonna be using. And I can't tell you who we're gonna be working with because nothing is finalized yet, but I'm very excited. He's on Instagram. He's part of the community. There's that hint. It's a he. That's his pronoun. We're gonna be working with that shop, both Cybertruck and Model Y. For now, nothing's finalized yet, but I'm just giving you all a heads up. I have an idea on what I wanna do with this car, but that part I can't share with you yet because I wanna see what or how he's gonna implement it. But I'm very excited. The idea I have, the little things, is really the one that I'm excited about, and I haven't really finalized what color wrap I'm gonna do this Model Y in. So, but if you have any suggestions, I don't want to go in the green route like the previous one, but I want it to be unique enough to where it's recognizable, like, hey, that's Sherwin's Model Y, like the previous one. I'm probably gonna either keep these wheels on and go with the custom covers, or maybe we'll bring back the bronze RV RN MB 373s. Not sure, or we'll just flip-flop between the two. So we shall see. I'm very excited, so stay tuned. Make sure you are subscribed so you could check out those videos, the upcoming videos of what else we're gonna do with this Model Y. But this is the first accessory that we put on here, or mod. But yeah, that's it for this video. HaloBlk, thank you for sending a set of them out for me so I could share with the people on YouTube. And I have all of the links in the video description below if you want to check the Halo Disc 2. And if there's any discount, it's also there as well. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.